Now I have something that I think affects pretty much the entire population, which is focusing on problems and issues when disaster or when trouble strikes. You know, we are so prone to just focusing on drama and what could have done, what happened, you know, who did wrong, instead of being more solution focused, like, you know, car companies, Japanese car companies have a reputation for being very solution focused, for using the concept of Kaizen, which means constant and never ending improvement. And when they have a mistake, when something bad happens in one of these car factories, let's just say, instead of going for the culprit and spending so much time figuring out who did it, how it could have been avoided, who's to blame, how to punish them, instead of that, they say, okay, well, we know that's where we're starting from. Where do we go from here? And they take all that energy that they were spending on looking for the culprit and spending time on the issue, and they put that energy to the solution instead. So what I'd like for you to think about is the saying, don't waste time crying over spilled milk. Have you heard that? This is similar. This is like, well, you know, if you're skiing down the hill and you see somebody that just fell down, you could stop and try to help them, and there are two ways to help. The first way people do it is they stop and, oh my gosh, what happened? Are you okay? Did you trip on that? Is your ski okay? You know, and they're just talking about what happened, and again, that is the negative focus. Instead, hey, okay, I see that you fell. What do you need? And let's move forward with a solution. Like, do I need to call ski patrol? Can I actually help this person myself to get up and get going again? You know, and just sort of changing the focus of your intent whenever you run into some sort of trouble or any issue, any situation that is, I guess, less than ideal. So what I'd love for you to do, or what I'd love to do actually, is to challenge you to go one full week without complaining, so that you just begin to notice. You'll notice when you complain about something, you will notice that you've complained, that you're focused on something that is negative, and instead just cut yourself off, just stop, and then change your mindset into something that is more productive and will help you make efficient and important decisions a little easier. All right, there's Juan's Coaching Corner. Practice the concept of Kaizen, constant and never-ending improvement, and always be solution-focused rather than focusing on the problem. There you go.
Hey, if you found value in this video, please hit the like button so more people can find it, and consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell for more life-enhancing content. Oh, and by the way, there's no rush. Hang around, watch some other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.